Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheese vegetable sandwich at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread, a slice of cheese, and an assortment of fresh vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Don't forget butter or mayonnaise for spreading, and any seasonings you enjoy, such as a pinch of salt and pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare our vegetables. Thoroughly wash and thinly slice all your chosen veggies, ensuring they are uniform for even distribution in your sandwich. It's important to pat them dry with a paper towel. This step prevents excess moisture from making your bread soggy. For an extra burst of taste, you can lightly season your sliced vegetables with a pinch of salt and pepper before assembling. This simple preparation makes a big difference. Now it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Take 1 slice of bread and spread a thin, even layer of butter or mayonnaise on one side. Repeat this with the second slice. On one buttered slice, generously layer your thinly sliced vegetables. Next, carefully place your cheese slice directly on top of the vegetables. Finally, complete your sandwich by placing the second buttered bread slice on top, buttered side facing out if you plan to grill it. For the grand finale, cook your sandwich. You can grill it in a pan over medium heat or use a toaster oven. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes or until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is beautifully melted and gooey. Once cooked, carefully remove it, slice it in half, and serve immediately for the best taste. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cheese vegetable sandwich.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.